What's up, YouTube? Mr. Hadnot here, checking in with you. This is our 2019 Copart rebuild. Show you guys what we got.
Scion.
Got it? Alright, well, it cranks up. We fired it up. Of course, the battery's dead. Every car I got, except for maybe two from Copart, batteries are dead. Title didn't come in. They're going to probably mail it off. FedEx that overnight. Since they didn't give it to the driver. Alright.
Well, our Scion came in. It's on the truck.
Yeah, why is it on the truck? Yeah. You got it on video?
Yes, it's on the truck. We're going to go get it and check the spots on it. From what it looks now, it looks like the bumper, a grill.
All right, we got the car off the truck, and there's no transmission fluid in it, so I had to push it off. Oil is a little bit low. I noticed underneath there is some transmission fluid leaking, so I'm gonna take all the bumper off and go from there and see and get a list together and see what needs we need to get it rebuilt. I saw a whole front bumper assembly for $200 in a junkyard in Dallas. It's maroon, but I can paint it white. My son's cleaning this out.
What is this?
Yeah, it looked like this was part of this right here. Maybe the dog went to the vet. Oh, that's for the amp. It was an amp back here. So dog must have went to the vet and they had something happen. They had to put that over the dog. So it's amazing what you find in these cars from Copart. I'm going to paint the rims black. Okay. Take these stickers off.